PPP mode, adhering to the guidelines of the Greenfield Airport Policy. DIACL is also planning for an aviation zone and MRO hub in the adjacent government land parcel available, adding components like the use of renewable sources of energy like solar park, implementing green infrastructure and adopting sustainable best practices will make Dholera Airport earn carbon credit. Come and join us in the development of state-of-the-art airport project.
Countries is substantially lower than India. In India, it's as high as about 12.5% of your GDP as compared to about 6.5% in Japan. There's a dedicated freight corridor project which links up Delhi to Mumbai, which is a container train which will only carry containers, which is being done by the Indian Railways. It will only carry containers, and this is the first container rail train which will happen in India. And both sides of this, when you do a new container train, it provides an opportunity for you to create new manufacturing cities. It provides an opportunity for you to do new urbanization, and it provides an opportunity for you to move goods far more quicker, far more faster into areas where there is consumption and into your ports for purposes of exports. So what the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor is really doing is using the backbone of the corridor. The corridor is the train. Both sides of this, we are using the influence region to create new smart cities in India.
There is indeed a dire need to develop new cities. Our existing metros are slowly succumbing to the increasing population. And things are only going to get worse from here. According to a study done by consultancy firm McKinsey, the urban population would increase to 590 million.
If you see the state of our towns and cities today, they are bursting at their seams. So as it is, people jokingly remark the development is happening along certain corridors, whether it's the Mumbai-Pune corridor or the Mumbai-Nashik corridor or the Delhi-Jaipur corridor. So because the cities are bursting at their seams, development is tending towards, in a linear manner, in a sense, hugging the highways. So we do certainly need to create far new and fresh spaces for mixed use.
And this is why the DMIC project assumes such an importance. According to the master plan, DMIC would create 24 new cities within the Delhi-Mumbai zone, and the first 7 of them are expected to come up by 2018. Kant is confident that these new cities would set a new benchmark in city planning, and none of them would face the same problems that plague our cities right now.
We've tried to do an integrated planning, and we've finished the master plan and the detailed development plan of the first 7 manufacturing cities. And when we do the master planning, we look at the entire hierarchy of roads, we look at the water, we look at the power.
બધું હવે ખાના ખા કે વિઝિટ કરેંગે